has 4x4 parting, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and straps. I don't use the combs in the front, but I do like to use the comb in the back and tighten the straps. I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued, Ultra Glued, and I'll be applying that in front of my hairline. Only taking a little and spreading it across. So now I'm just fanning the gel, making sure it gets nice and tacky. You can also use a blow dryer, but I'm just air drying it with this NARS sample that I got from Sephora. So I'm just fanning it, making sure it gets nice and tacky. You don't want it dry because it's not going to stick if it's dry. So now I'm going to be taking the Pump It Up Gold Super Hold Styling Spritz. And I really love this spritz because it helps the process go by so much faster. It makes it tacky faster. You kind of have to work quick, I guess, because it'll dry really quickly. But I love it. And it holds your wig on so well. So this part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just going to be placing the wig on my head where I applied that glue. I'm making sure that the sides of the wig are not on top of my ear, or making sure that it's not lifting, because you want it to look as natural as possible and you don't want the wig to sit uncomfortably on your head or on top of your ears. And I know I applied the glue further up on my forehead, but I'm going to be applying baby hairs, and I didn't want it to look super crazy like I don't have no forehead at all. So now I'm just taking a rat tail comb and I'm using the tail end to press along the edge of the wig. I'm doing this to ensure that it's laid on. That's not gonna move nowhere. It's just on my head. And next I'll be laying my baby hairs while the glue is still tacky. It's just going to prevent me from using more gel on the hair. Now I'm going to be taking the Pump It Up spray to set my baby hairs to ensure that it don't move. I'm just taking a Noxzema cleansing pad to clean off the dry glue and spray. You don't want all that gunk and crust across your hairline. It's going to look noticeable, it's going to be white and flaky, and it's not going to look cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I kind of just like it messy, whatever. Kind of brush some of the curls out. You can, this is the Sensational Swiss silk based 4x4 wig in Maryam. This is the color T1B/27. So they have other colors. I got this from the beauty supply store. Yes, I just cut some baby hairs and gelled them down. And this is the finished result. I like the wig. I've worn it a few times. This is the wig. to go to work, so I had to make this really short and quick. But thanks for watching.